Hello, my name is Kasaga Frank, and I'm here to present my week 6 team project. And as we are working on an event metrics API app, uh, this is our GitHub, and it has all the files minus the .env for the environments, so they are kept safe. And the other thing is, I'll have to go and test all the units, and I tested them already, and they all passed, and it is working very well, as you can see. So the other thing is, allow me to show you the database. This is our database, and it has 4 of the collections, and this time around we've been working on there for week 6. We've been working on registrations and users, so they are all having the data inside there, and there. Okay, it is fetching. So it has 11 of them here, and the users is also having 16 of them here. Yeah, so that is our database. And back to our app. This is it is deploying. So let's wait for it. So as it is deploying, so as this is how it appears, and I will start by showing you the APIs. Sorry, API loads, and they appear as you can see. So they are already there. And the other thing I'll have to show you is the authentication, and I'll be using the users and registration for this time round. The get, let's try it out and execute. So the get gives all the data, gives all the information, because it doesn't have any authorization and authentication. So when we get to the post, these are the protected routes, and these are the users. So let's say everything is okay right here. So Kenzaka, yeah. Then when we try to execute, we shall have to find that it gives a error code of 401, which simply means unauthorized. So you must need to first log in and then access the post. And it also applies to the put and the delete. So the other thing, I will just go and show you the post. Sorry, for the registrations as well. And I will try to execute. Of course, the same error, which simply means to access this, you must have been logged in. So the other thing I will do, I will go directly to log in. And, let me use this. Let me use this one. So I will just go and say login. So I use with Git. So it will have to redirect. So it has redirected me. So when I try to go to the APIs, I'll have to find that the protected routes are now accessible. And for the registration, right, let's start from the users. Let me first get all of them. Yes. And then use this I'll be using this to post, and then I will have to change a few things just because of time. So I have to remove this. This. And I'll call this one Asaga. The other one will be Frank. So I'll have to execute. When I execute, it gives this error of unable to create contact because there are some missing things. 201, it is 400. So I'll go back and try 0. So let's use this one. We shall just have to put so it gives the error code as you've seen, and the error handling is working, the try catch block, and everything is working normally. So when we try to execute Kasaga Frank, now we shall have to receive a code of 201, which simply means user created. So when we go back to our database, remember we had different users and many of them. So we shall have to find that. Let me refresh it. We shall have to find that Kasaga Frank appears and everything is working very well, as you've seen. So then when we go to put, of course, for users, we shall just have to get to go and get Kasaga Frank right here. Let's cancel. Then try it out, then we execute. When it loads, we find that Kasaga Frank appears down here. And when we try to put, let's go and try the put. Remember, we shall have to use so some of the information is not needed right here. Be there. One number must be there. So when we delete this, yes. So we remove the number, the ID, put it here. Then let's be away. Do away with that. Then the other thing, we shall have to change Frank to John. Then when we execute 200, user updated successfully. So that simply means when I'll check back right up here, sorry, in the get users, we shall have to find that. When we try to execute again, reload, we shall have to find that Kasaga's turned to John, not Frank. So it is working very well, and that is all I have to show for now. Thank you so much. Thank you for taking time and viewing my video.